One thing that we don't hear often enough as adults is, I'm proud of you. So I want to take a moment to tell how proud I am about my team. They did an amazing job through the holidays. So this very time last year, I had 5 employees. That includes myself, and my wife was one of the employees. Sorry, I have to get the company directory. Yeah, I have one of those now. We now have, count them, 21 employees. We have a new one starting today. And honestly, I'm just flat out proud of each and every single one of these people. They're amazing. I tell them all the time, I could not do this without you guys. There's so much going on around here that without you, Mr. Mixer would not be a thing. I really work to reinforce how good of a job that they are doing and just how thankful I am to have them around here, because I literally, from the person who does the most simple job to the hardest job around here, every single job that we do leads to getting a customer back a new running mixer, or getting them the parts or supplies they need to fix a family heirloom. Like, every little thing is important, and each and every single person that works here knows that. So even if they're doing something mundane, like, they take pride in it, and it's just amazing to see the culture that we have created here. Like, it's a dream come true. I try to get these people on camera every once in a while, but they typically hide from the camera, and I'm not one to force them into doing these videos if they don't feel comfortable being on them. But I would like to show a little bit more behind the scenes and what they are doing in the future, because they're just taking names and they're kicking ass. I think we sent something to the tune of 25 or 30,000 packages in the holiday season, which is absolutely wild. And don't get me wrong, I am not an absentee owner. I am here in the trenches. It's 4 o'clock in the morning right here. I'm here, nobody's here. I probably still put more time into this than anybody else does, which should be expected as an owner. A good one anyways. We are helping more people than ever. Like I said, we are sending out a ton of product to help people do their own DIY repairs. But we are also fixing more mixers than ever. We had to add tons of shelving in here to accommodate all the mixers coming in. This is not enough shelving. We're about to be overrun. But it's nothing that we can't handle. Listen, I have spent the last couple years duplicating myself. I found a few people who were just invested in what I had to do here, right? Like, they were like, let's do this together. We believe in what we're doing. We're helping a ton of people. So I duplicated myself, and then we're duplicating ourselves again into new employees, really just teaching them the culture of things, how we want to interact, how we want to be perceived, how we treat our customers, which is amazing. You won't find better customer service anywhere, and I put my stamp on that. And again, it is just amazing what we have accomplished. And yes, I say emphasis on we. I could not have done this myself. So, team, I appreciate you guys to the utmost of the word. Each and every single one of you is important. You're valued, and I just appreciate what you do for me and what you do for the people that we support. So thank you all for helping bring my dreams to reality. I can't thank you enough, and I'm very excited to see where the future takes us. Speaking of future, if you have a time machine, somebody go back in time, tell me not to eat 6 corn dogs before bed, because that's why I'm here filming this video at 4 o'clock in the morning, because of Heartburn.